Hey, welcome back to the Rabbit Build. This is Euro Kevin. In today's video we're going to be making Fender mounted mirrors out of motorcycle mirrors. So I was doing some research on eBay and I could only find one certain style of Fender mounted mirror, maybe two, but nothing that really looked the style I wanted. And the one that was alright was a JDM Datsun style mirror, and it was $75 for a plastic little mirror, and I was not having that, so stopped thinking about it for a while. And then I came upon motorcycle mirrors on Wish for like $5, $10, and I was like, oh, that might work. So today I'm gonna try to mount some motorcycle mirrors to my car, see how it looks, and you guys can be the judge, see if it's worth it for 15 bucks instead of $75. Start with the install. It's pretty simple. I'm going to measure a hole for each side about where I want the mirror, drill a hole in there, and it's a simple nut and bolt. Put the bolt in there and then tighten the nut from underneath the fender and should be good to go. So after the hole, it's pretty simple. Just make sure it fits. You want it to be as snug as possible. Oh, don't cut yourself on your sharp fenders. And then tighten this as much as you can. You're probably going to come in at the end and get a socket and tighten it, but for now, hand tight will be good. Alright, so it was just a short, sweet video. We got the fenders on there. I think they look great. I paid $15 for these. You can get them in a bunch of different styles and sizes and colors, from anywhere from 5 to 20 bucks. Just type in on eBay or Wish motorcycle mirrors, and there's tons of them, easy to bolt onto your car, simple as that. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Have a good day.